Let's try a live soft shell crab. So I've only tried them a handful of times, but they were frozen. So the whole body is soft. And so the cool thing about these guys is that you can eat the whole thing. So you can eat the whole shell, the legs, the claws, everything. And to clean this, all you gotta do is cut off the face, the small little bottom area here. And some people like to say they cut the gills off. I tried it both on and off, and it tastes pretty much the same, but I'll cut it off this time. Sorry, Mr. Krabs. So I just cleaned them. Now I just gotta make sure they're completely dry. It's almost a bit sweet. It's nice. Ooh, the legs are the best. So that one I deep fried, and this one I air fried. And I'm just going to put a bit of chili oil on this, along with some salt and some lemon juice.